Google AdWords have recently rolled out their brand new ad format, which makes the ads even bigger than what they used to be. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the new ad format. Hello, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to talk about the newer Google Ads format. These ads have just been recently rolled out. And last year, Google Ads or AdWords, as it used to be called before, made the ads a bit bigger. But this year, as of September 2018, the ads are now even bigger. So there's good news and bad news for you. If you are an advertiser, the good news is that you can put more in your ads. And if you are a organic ranked website where you've got rankings on Google, your rankings are going to be shoved down even further on the page because the ads are going to take up more space at the top. It is especially going to affect a fair bit of click-throughs on the mobile devices because the majority of the ads are going to be at the top and the organic rankings are going to be pushed even further down. So if you are running a campaign in AdWords or Google Ads as they are called, so let's head off into our uh, ads. So you will notice that you've got this new green buttons in front of the headline 3 and description line 2. So previously we used to have two headlines. Now we've got a further third headline up to 30 characters. And the description, which used to be just one line and was up to 80 characters, now it consists of up to 90, so you can write more in your ad. You will also notice that there is a bit of a warning symbol over here, and it is just to put in your HTTPS. So make sure that all your web pages are now secured with an SSL certificate. So what that means is if you haven't updated your ads will continue to show with just headline 1, headline 2, and description line 1. So if your competitors have taken advantage of the new ad format, obviously their ads are going to be a lot bigger than yours. So I would highly recommend that you update all your ads in your campaigns. Now what this gives us as advertisers is a great opportunity to promote our products or services in the way we want. So let me bring up my notepad over here. So here's how I would write my ads, because now we've got so much room to play with. Previously it used to be a bit of a struggle to put the whole message across in our ads, but not anymore, which personally I don't believe it is, because in the headline 1, I would recommend that you put in the keyword so it's that the relevancy is always there up front. So somebody who's put in a search term, a query on Google, first line they read is about that keyword or a key phrase. On H2, I tend to put in the offer, what the offer is. H3 or the headline 3 is about the pricing. Now pricing is important, and a lot of people don't like to put pricing in the ads, but I would disagree with that, because I want to pre-qualify the click or that visitor. Because if I put in a price of my product in here, let's say it's £10 or £100, and they can't afford that price, they're not going to click on it. But if they can afford it, then obviously they are going to look into it, and it will be a lot more attractive for them to go onto my landing page, and the chances of them converting on my web page or the landing page is far higher than somebody who's not qualified. So I would highly recommend that you put in the price in H3. Then in the description line 1, now we've got 90 characters to play with. Put in the feature. about your product or service, and also put in that keyword or a different variety of that keyword, so it is a bit more relevant. And in description line 2, you can put in the benefit of that product or service, and always include your call to action as to what you want them to do. Obviously you can't put in the word click here, that won't be approved by Google, but you can put in a call to action like sign up or visit website or buy now or whatever it may be. So now the ads can have a lot more information about what you offer or what your product or service or business is all about, so that when someone reads and looks at your ad, they know exactly what they're going to get. And when they click through, I believe they will be a lot more pre-qualified than compared to the previous versions of the ads, where due to the limitations of the character count, we couldn't put in all the information about the offer which we were promoting on Google. So this is how you utilize the new Google search ads format. Make sure that you put in your H3 and the description line 2, and update all your ads in all your campaigns. Now, if you are struggling with your Google Ads campaigns, then just get in touch with me, and I'll be happy to offer you a free consultation as to how we can help you get more out of your campaigns. So thanks for joining in for this video, and please do subscribe and hit the bell notification button to be the first one to be notified when I upload similar videos like this one. That's it for now. I'll see you soon in the next video.